welcome you, sir, to Narocake village this afternoon. We are surely delighted to see you this afternoon. This is the first time a Secretary General of the International Federation of Red Cross or any head of international organization, for that matter, has ever visited our village. Also on the same note, we are surely privileged to be selected on the visit from the rest of the villages in the Rewa Delta, or perhaps the wider province of Fiji. To begin with, I would like to brief you on the background information of Narocake. Narocake is positioned 18 degrees 0.05 south and 178 degrees 36 east on the global map. It is the 10th village of the district of Nodo under the province of Rewa. There are altogether 200 people residing in this village. However, 300 more that are linked to the village residing in other parts of the country. This comprising 5 Matangalis that make up the Obusa of the village. The village is founded on Christian principles and values, having 2 denominations church, the Assemblies of God and the Methodist Church. It also from the same village that produced the Fiji winning coach in the 1997 Melrose Cup 7-a-side tournament, the late Rupeni Rabonu. The village has very limited dry land, as basically located on wetland adjustment to the line of mangroves that next to the sea. This has brought about benefits and challenges along with it. The day-to-day livelihood is sustained by catches of sea, mangroves, and coastal line. The village, at the same time, is vulnerable to the effect of adverse weather pattern and natural disaster. It was fortunate that the damage sustained through T.C. Winston was only 2 houses when compared to the rest of the village of the country. In 2015, the Fiji Red Cross Society initiated a program through the Fiji Community Program, funding where training on integrated verbal capacity assessment were carried out. The training helped the community to identify the risk and the variable that do exist. The community action plan that were developed and working relation that will be undertaken. We are so fortunate that Fiji Red Cross is working in our village, and we are rest assured that the development and training will lift our standard to be more resilient. So that is a brief ground inside of this village. Without further, I will do again. Thank you, sir, for the visit today, and we hope that you will enjoy it. I will now request the village of Narocake to show their welcome of appreciation in usual manner.
Thank you very much. Let me first of all pay my respect to the elders and to the leaders of the village. I humbly express my respect and my deep greetings to you. I would like also to express my greetings and respect to all the members of the communities for opening the doors of their communities, opening the doors of their village, and opening your hearts and your arms to welcome us. I feel very honored, I feel very privileged, and I would like to thank you for that. I come here today to bring you the greetings from all over the world, from 191 countries in the world that are members of the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent. So while I'm speaking today here, and my colleagues are taking pictures and sending messages, the whole world will put a finger on the map and then measuring the degrees on the world map that we just described, that we are here today to celebrate humanity. We are here today to celebrate solidarity. We are here today to celebrate friendship, to save lives where we can, to alleviate human suffering where it is needed, but more importantly, to be on the side of the communities, to accompany them, to respond to their needs. Because it is the community who knows best the environment. It is you, the community, who know best the history of this village. You know best the tradition. You know best where the water cycles are. You know best where the mangroves are. And then you know over time where are those places that may be more prone to disasters or not. Where are those places that may be flooded? And where are those places there may be a mudslide? You know best where are the places to build houses or not. So that knowledge of the community is extremely critical. So there is no success of any program, and there is no success of Red Cross program without the real involvement of the community. There is no success of Red Cross without the commitment of the community. And there is no success of Red Cross without the leadership of the community. So what you are presenting today as a success and thanks to Red Cross, the real thanks really go to you back. The real thanks goes to you because you are the ones who carry it. And you are the one who shared your knowledge as well as your space and your environment with us. What we do here is what we do in 100+ countries in the world. But we are very proud to see the Fijian Red Cross doing it very successfully. And the reason why they bring us here is to show that there is community leadership, there is community participation, and there is community ownership. The program we have here, I don't want to see it as a Red Cross program. It is the community program supported by the Red Cross. And that is ownership third, as you described, is extremely important. And I would like to congratulate you for that, and I would like to thank you, for that. Thank you for being a partner to Red Cross. Partnership is a partnership in long term. It is not about a project. It is not about the program. It is about the long term. And that's why the ownership of the community is extremely important. So we have put some seeds here, and we would like to see those seeds grow, and it continues to grow so that these beautiful little children that we see here, today, will witness it, but tomorrow they will be the champions to continue to carry it forward. So we look forward to seeing you continuing in the same dynamic, continuing to the same commitment, and we will stand together with you in solidarity forever. I'm very proud and happy that I can go back to Geneva and go back to the world and tell them that I was in this village. And in this village that I see young people, children, that are mobilized, next to the elders and the leaders of the community to take, the communities in their own hands and then making it, more resilient, in the future. We cannot prevent natural shocks from happening. We cannot prevent the cyclone from happening. We cannot prevent the rain from happening. We cannot even prevent the drought. But we can prepare in a manner so that when those shocks happen, they don't become a disaster. That we can do. And it is the community that can do that. The problem starts with the community. The solutions will be found in the community. So we look forward to your continued leadership to continue to guide us. We look forward to the heavy involvement of the Fijian Red Cross, which is one of our most active partners, most active member of our federation. We have a team here, based in Suva, led by Catherine, that is serving Fiji, in Fiji. But from Fiji, it is also serving the Pacific. And through the participation of the Fijian Red Cross in our federation, they're also contributing, to serving the world. So I can tell you, as a member of this community, in the same vein, you serve your village, you serve your country, you serve the Pacific region, and what we learn here will also be a lesson that can be serving the world. So thank you for letting us be part of you. Thank you for this extremely warm welcome and letting us feel that we are part of your community and we are part of you. I feel extremely privileged and extremely proud to witness this moment here this afternoon. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.
The communities, the livelihood, they mainly rely on the sea for income. We supported them with it. I think it is only a portion of it to the side of the village. And that's where they enjoy working on the footpath.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
La